right, we've got a stronger storm down across parts of southwestern sections of Huerfano County. That's where most of our stronger storms will stay, will be west of La Veta. Let's zoom into that storm really quickly here because it is showing a decent sized hail core that's moving just north of La Veta Pass. So right now, obviously it has a lot of lightning with it, so we're going to turn that off so we can see the data just a little bit better. The main warning right now with this particular storm is a flash flood warning over the burn scar area just around Highway 160 and point south into southwestern Huerfano County. That's in effect until 7:30 p.m. But let me show you some of the data with this particular storm because it is showing, as we said before, a little bit of hail, possibly some smaller hail in the region. You can see the purple color is the actual hail core that is moving from the south to the north, now just bypassing La Veta, anywhere really between half of an inch in hail or closer to an inch. I think half of an inch probably reaching the ground, probably a little bit less, just some heavy rain and maybe some pea-sized hail. That is not a severe warned storm, at least not at this time, but it is producing some gusty winds and certainly a lot of heavy rain over a short period of time. That storm stretching back across parts of southwestern Los Animas County as well. Most of our strongest severe storms will stay south of the Arkansas River Valley. You'll notice that we've got some light showers pushing off of the wet mountains right now, light to moderate showers. We are fairly dry here in El Paso County. Pueblo County, you'll get ready for a nice little curtain of rain coming in over the next 30 minutes or so. In fact, that shower that you're looking at right there in Pueblo West, you can see from this shot on our Southwest Motors camera from Highway 50 and Wills Boulevard here in Pueblo right now. So light showers expected across the region. We've got a lot of cloud cover, a little filtered sunshine here in Colorado Springs, and of course a lot of cloud cover there across parts of Pueblo. Temperatures are in the mid-70s right now. Did you notice how windy it was this morning? It was howling out there pretty early, at about 8 o'clock this morning. That was a cold front moving through. It's cooled us down quite a bit, of course. We've got winds returning back out of the east-northeast across parts of the eastern plains and Lamar, clocking winds about 25 to 28 miles per hour. Temperatures in the 70s to low 80s across the region, so it has been noticeably cooler today versus the toasty temperatures we had over the weekend. The larger scope of the moisture you're noticing across eastern sections of Utah right now, so we will have most of these storms dissipating, falling apart as we lose that daytime heating for at least the Pikes Peak region. The storms that will be ongoing overnight tonight will push across the southeastern plains around La Junta and Springfield, Kim, Branson. That's going to be an evening and overnight event. Again, flash flooding the primary concern this evening, so have a way to get your watches and warnings. We do not expect any widespread severe weather late tonight. But you'll notice early tomorrow morning, partly sunny skies. First half of the day is dry, and then after 2 p.m., storms start to roll in across the Pikes Peak region and across parts of Walsenburg, and then ejecting across the eastern plains Tuesday evening. Now, Wednesday morning, looks like most of our storms will stay west of I-25 as they fire up after the noon hour, especially across the Central Mountain Valley and parts of areas south of I-70. Isolated storms on Wednesday. So it does look Wednesday is going to be a drier period for us, but not a 0% chance of storms. We're still going to have an isolated storm or two on Wednesday as well. Tomorrow, scattered showers and storms after 2 p.m. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s. Again, the first half of your day is nice and dry. 87 degrees in Canyon City, 89 in Pueblo, and near 90 degrees across the parts of the southeastern plains. Woodland Park, temperatures are steady in the 70s. We do warm slowly back into the low 80s by the latter half of the work week. It does look like Wednesday will be a drier period for us with only an isolated storm chance, but the precipitation or probability really starts to increase yet again for both Thursday, Friday, and heading into the weekend. Now, don't let these higher probabilities in Woodland Park deter you from any outdoor plans. Just make sure those plans are accomplished before 3 p.m. It is monsoon season. It is that time of year where the afternoon hours, that daytime heating, it really helps these storms start to fire up and thrive as they move across the mountains. Canyon City, 87 Tuesday, 93 on Wednesday. And we look to inch well into the 90s for the latter half of the work week. So those warmer temperatures will return for Colorado Springs later in the week.
All right, Mary, thanks. AAA says national gas prices are down, and that means some families are getting